The NEET PG exam is a challenging but achievable goal. It's a test that requires not just knowledge but also strategy, perseverance, and a well-thought-out plan. Many have walked this path before you and have emerged victorious, and so can you. It's the gateway to your dream career. Imagine yourself donning that white coat, working in a hospital, making a difference in people's lives. This exam is the stepping stone to that dream. With only 6 months left, it's time to switch gears and kick your preparation into high gear. Every day counts, and every hour is precious. The clock is ticking, and now is the time to make every second matter. A well-structured approach is non-negotiable. You need to break down your syllabus into manageable chunks, set realistic goals, and track your progress regularly. This will help you stay focused and motivated. You need a roadmap to success. Visualize your journey, mark important milestones, and celebrate small victories along the way. This will keep you on track and give you a sense of accomplishment. This is where smart planning comes in. Use planners, sticky notes, and digital tools to organize your study schedule. Prioritize topics based on their weightage and your strengths and weaknesses. This isn't just about studying hard, it's about studying smart. Dedication is key. Use techniques like highlighting, flashcards, and mnemonics to retain information better. Practice past papers and take mock tests to gauge your preparation. You will need to make sacrifices. There will be times when you have to say no to social gatherings, late-night movies, and other distractions. But remember, these sacrifices are temporary and will pay off in the long run. But remember, the rewards are worth it. The joy of seeing your name on the merit list, the pride of wearing that graduation gown, and the satisfaction of achieving your dream will make all the hard work worthwhile. You are capable of achieving great things. Surround yourself with positivity, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Every effort you put in now will bring you one step closer to your goal. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Confidence is half the battle won. Trust your preparation, stay focused, and give it your best shot. You have what it takes to conquer the NEET PG exam and achieve your dreams. The NEET PG syllabus is vast. It's important to prioritize your subjects. This will help you maximize your time and effort. High-yield subjects carry the most weight. Focus on these first. Examples include medicine, surgery, and pharmacology. Medium priority subjects are next. Don't neglect these. Examples are pediatrics, obstetrics and gynecology, and pathology. Low-yield subjects have less weightage. Cover these towards the end. Examples are anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. A well-structured study plan is crucial for success. Divide your preparation into 3 phases. Build a strong foundation in all subjects. Focus on high-yield subjects. Use standard textbooks and resources. Revise all the subjects you've covered. Focus on strengthening weaker areas. Start practicing MCQs regularly. Revise all subjects again, this time at a faster pace. Take mock tests regularly to assess your progress. Work on your time management skills. MCQs are the heart of the NEET PG exam. Mastering them is crucial for a good rank. Practice as many MCQs as you can. It's not just about getting the right answer, it's about understanding the concepts behind them. Analyze your mistakes. Identify your weak areas. This will help you improve your performance. Make use of online resources and test series. These provide valuable practice and feedback. Remember, consistent practice is key to acing MCQs. Staying motivated is crucial during this intense preparation period. It's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs. It's important to stay positive and focused. Surround yourself with positive influences. This could be friends, family, or mentors. Celebrate your small victories. This will keep you motivated. Don't be afraid to take breaks. They are essential for recharging and avoiding burnout. Many students fall into common traps during NEET PG preparation. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can be a major hurdle in your journey. It often starts with small delays, but these can accumulate and lead to significant setbacks. Instead of putting off tasks, break them into smaller, manageable chunks and tackle them one at a time. This approach not only makes the workload seem less daunting, but also helps in maintaining a steady pace of study. Start your preparation early and stick to your schedule. Creating a well-structured timetable is crucial. Allocate specific time slots for each subject and stick to them religiously. This not only ensures that you cover all topics but also helps in building a routine. Remember, consistency is key. Regular study sessions, even if shorter, are more effective than sporadic long hours of cramming. Use tools like calendars, planners, or digital apps to keep track of your progress and make adjustments as needed. Don't try to study everything. The vast syllabus can be overwhelming, but trying to cover every single topic in detail is neither practical nor necessary. Focus on understanding the core concepts and high-yield topics that are frequently tested. Quality over quantity should be your mantra. Deep understanding of key areas will serve you better than superficial knowledge of many. Prioritize high-yield subjects and topics. Identify the subjects and topics that carry more weight in the exam, and prioritize them in your study plan. Use previous year's question papers and exam patterns to guide your focus. Make concise notes and highlight important points for quick revisions. This targeted approach will help you maximize your efficiency and effectiveness. Avoid studying from too many resources. While it might be tempting to refer to multiple books and guides, this can lead to confusion and information overload. Stick to a few trusted resources that cover the syllabus comprehensively. This will not only simplify your study process but also ensure that you have a clear and consistent understanding of the material. Stick to standard textbooks and a few reliable online resources. Don't neglect your health. Your physical and mental well-being are crucial for effective studying. Ensure you take regular breaks, eat nutritious meals, and get adequate sleep. Overworking yourself can lead to burnout, which is counterproductive. Balance your study sessions with activities that help you relax and rejuvenate. Make sure to eat well, sleep well, and exercise regularly. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Incorporate physical activities like walking, jogging, or yoga into your routine. These activities not only keep you fit but also help in reducing stress and improving concentration. Proper sleep is essential for memory consolidation and cognitive function, so ensure you get at least 7-8 hours of sleep each night. By avoiding these pitfalls, you can streamline your preparation and increase your chances of success. Staying organized, focused, and healthy will not only make your preparation more effective, but also more enjoyable. Remember, the journey to success is as important as the destination. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Your hard work and dedication will pay off. Countless students have cracked the NEET PG exam with flying colors. Their journeys are filled with determination, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to their dreams. These are not just stories of success, but of overcoming obstacles, pushing boundaries, and achieving the seemingly impossible. Let their stories inspire you. Each one of them faced unique challenges, yet they all shared a common goal: to succeed in the NEET PG exam. Their experiences serve as a beacon of hope and motivation for all aspiring medical professionals. Take, for instance, Dr. Anjali. Her story is one of sheer grit and determination. Balancing her internship duties with her preparation for the NEET PG exam was no easy feat. She often found herself studying late into the night, sacrificing sleep and leisure to ensure she was thoroughly prepared. She juggled her internship with dedicated preparation and secured a top 100 rank. Her success is a testament to her hard work and strategic planning. Dr. Anjali's story reminds us that with the right mindset and dedication, we can achieve our goals no matter how challenging they may seem. Or consider Dr. Rohan, who failed to crack the exam on his first attempt. His initial failure was a tough pill to swallow, but he didn't let it deter him. Instead, he used it as a learning experience. He analyzed his mistakes, sought guidance, and refined his study techniques. He learned from his mistakes, stayed persistent, and aced it the next year. Dr. Rohan's journey is a powerful reminder that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. His story encourages us to stay resilient and keep pushing forward, even in the face of setbacks. These stories are a testament to the fact that with hard work, dedication, and a belief in oneself, anything is possible. They show us that success is not just about intelligence, but about perseverance, resilience, and the courage to keep going no matter the odds. So, let these real-life success stories inspire you to chase your dreams and achieve your goals. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try. The next 6 months will be challenging, but remember, you are not alone. Millions of students are on this journey with you. Believe in yourself. Embrace the challenge. With hard work, smart planning, and unwavering dedication, you can crack NEET PG and achieve your dreams. Your future as a medical professional awaits.